out there with their boats. There's nobody here in the parking lot. It's really windy. It's gotta be what, 30 miles plus wind. It's a lot calmer today than yesterday. See this? There's Rose launching from Point Lookout by the store. I'm turning, I can't control it. Good. Turn around. Keep going. Go ahead. Rose and I are looking for this bridge, and when we go under that bridge we'll be in this little pond that's going to be right next to the Potomac River, so we should be able to, there's a little sandbar, we should be able to see the Potomac River there. Alright, it's windy again. I think this is going to that pond. It's going to be tough, I think. You see a lot of waves and it's very windy. We're going to go for it. I think the bridge is over there. Go for it. Let's go. It's pretty rough out here, but it's a good place. We're heading straight for the bridge now instead of going around counterclockwise. Because we have found the fabled bridge. It's right through there. Even though Rose didn't believe me. You didn't believe me about the bridge, did you? There it is. The bridge. That bridge that heads to that pond. I forgot the name. This bridge is a little bit low. So we're gonna have to probably over there. I think we're gonna go there. I don't know, we'll see. The sandbar is the Potomac River. Potomac. And look at it. White caps out there. Okay, this is how it looks like on the Potomac today. It looks like it's not really safe for small craft either, unless you know what you're doing. Look at that. There are white caps in the distance. Heading back now. There's the bridge. Tide is coming in. It's probably going to be on the way back. We got the wind behind us, so it's a lot easier to paddle. There's a group of paddlers out there. Looks like I see three kayaks. Here comes Rose. Just keep following the right coast. They're on a canoe. Ah, there he is. There he goes swimming.